decades of experience and a commitment to excellence. Our UK-based laboratory provides custom synthesis and analytical services to researchers worldwide, specialising in complex chemistries such as cyclic, branched and stapled peptides, routinely synthesising cell-penetrating peptides, fluorescent peptides, peptide antigens, libraries and microarrays, and peptide oligo conjugates. We perform a wide range of modifications and conjugations, achieving purity ranges from crude to greater than 98%. Single batch synthesis of up to 576 small-scale peptides through to individual peptides at multi-gram scale. Our analytical services include amino acid analysis to determine net peptide content, N-terminal protein sequencing to provide the exact order of amino acids in the peptide sequence, and mass spectrometry services, such as intact mass and peptide fingerprinting. Quality assured with our ISO 17025 accreditation for amino acid analysis and N-terminal protein sequencing. Whatever your needs, contact us today to take your project forward. Analysis and synthesis excellence. Contact us now.